Senator Wyden.
Thank you very much. I want to thank all our witnesses. I think it is very clear that the system of fighting fire in this country is a broken, dysfunctional mess. This fight has been going on. It's the longest running battle since the Trojan War. And now we've got a wildfire emergency declared by our governor. Now, Senator Crapo and I went with one approach, 250 groups, forestry groups, scientists, environmental folks, all of whom endorsed the legislation. Still nothing happened. I asked the chief here a few weeks ago about the costs of inaction, and the chief said it is millions of acres untreated, and we're out $1 billion over a 10-year period. This just cannot continue. So what I'd like to ask is about a new approach that reflects that FEMA, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, recently said that wildfires change landscapes so dramatically that communities affected by them are at a significantly higher risk of flooding. Now, a few weeks ago, a banking committee led by Chairman Crapo and Senator Brown introduced a flood insurance bill that incorporates a wildfire fix. Ms. Christensen, to what extent do wildfires increase the risk of catastrophic flooding?
There is an association, Senator, often on the catastrophic fires that are very intensely burn hot. They scar the soils, and the water is not able to penetrate and into the soil bed. So that's why we have our BEAR process, as Ms. Miller described.
You don't have a difference of opinion, though, with respect to FEMA, that the wildfires can cause a significantly higher risk of flooding?
The administration has not taken a position on that particular bill. Yes.
I'm not asking about your position. I'm asking about the science. FEMA is talking about the science. Do you disagree with the science?
No, sir.
Thank you. One other question, and also, Mr. Chairman, as a matter for the record, Senator Risch, Senator Heinrich, and Senator Merkley and I would like to have put into the record a letter of support for the Crapo-Brown proposal.
Without objection.
One last question, if I might, Ms. Christensen. The Obama administration supported finding an end to fire borrowing. Every year, more and more of the budget is used to pay for wildfires, leaving forests in poor health and at an even greater risk of catastrophic wildfires. I'd just like to get for the record, because I don't think you all have been asked on this, is the Trump administration's position the same as the Obama administration's position on this? Do you support ending fire borrowing and finding a way to address the rising 10-year average? I just think senators need to know whether the Trump administration on that issue is willing to support the Obama administration's position.
Senator, thank you. Yes, the administration is absolutely committed to finding a solution that addresses the increasing 10-year average as well as ends the practice of fire transfer.
I think I'm going to say that you're pretty much in sync with the Obama position on that.
This administration supports a fire funding fix.
Do you have
Yes.
a problem with saying you're pretty much in sync with the previous administration? I just don't want us to have to start over. I want to work in a bipartisan way with the administration.
I would say it's a continuation of, as you suggested, a longstanding issue that we know needs resolved, Senator.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.